This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features a Baja, Amarett Maple interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2023 Newmar Kountry Star 4068 is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.